Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss an important topic, resolution of a vector in a plane. Now, resolution of a vector is the process of splitting off a single vector into two or more vectors which together produces same effect as is produced by a single vector alone. Okay. Now, suppose this is a vector A which makes theta angle to the x direction. Ax vector is the component of vector A in x direction and Ay vector is the component of A in y direction. So we can write vector A as a combination of its component vectors Ax vector plus Ay vector. Now we can write Ax vector as Ax I cap, where Ax is its magnitude and I cap is its direction, and Ay vector as Ay j cap, where Ay is its magnitude and j cap is its direction. So now in triangle OPR, this is angle theta, this is vector A. Now we know that cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So by using this, we get Ax is equal to A cos theta, equation number 1. Now, if this angle is theta, that means this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, this angle is 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta, this angle is 90. So this angle will be theta. Okay, 90 minus theta. So this angle will be theta. Now, in triangle OQR, we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So from this triangle we get AY is equal to A sin theta, equation number 2. Now equation number 1 square plus equation 2 square, we get AX square plus AY square is equal to A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. Take A square common, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta, a trigonometric identity which have value is equal to 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have Ax square plus Ay square is equal to A square. That is A is equal to root Ax square plus Ay square. This is the magnitude of the vector A. Now, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1, we get Ay upon Ax is equal to A sin theta upon A cos theta. A cancel out each other. We have tan theta is equal to Ay upon Ax. That theta will be tan inverse Ay upon Ax. Okay, this is the direction of the vector A. This is the magnitude of vector A and this is the direction of the vector A. Now, in three-dimensional case, suppose this is vector A which makes alpha angle to the x direction, beta angle to the y direction and gamma angle to with the z direction. And Ax vector is the component of vector A in x direction, Ay vector is the component of A in y direction and Az vector is the component of vector A in z direction. So we can write vector A as the combination of its component vectors, that is Ax vector plus Ay vector plus Az vector. Now we can write Ax vector as Ax I cap, Ay vector as Ay j cap and Az vector as Az k cap. Now here the value of Ax is equal to A cos alpha, Ay is equal to A cos beta and Az is equal to A cos gamma, where cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are direction cosines. Okay, now equation 1 square plus equation 2 square plus equation number 3 squaring, then we get Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square is equal to A square cos square alpha plus A square cos square beta plus A square cos square gamma. Take A square common, then we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Since they are direction cosines and cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Okay, then we have A square is equal to Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. That means A is equal to under root Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. This is the magnitude of the vector A. So this is the resolution of a vector. Okay, so the topic is done. Thanks for watching.